Hello everybody, welcome Patrick Brando Group. We are still talking about this work in progress of opening an Italian restaurant pizzeria. Come with me, I'll show you. Okay, at the moment what we're doing, we are basically installing the bar, the front bar and the back bar. Still we're working with the extraction, we're working as well with conditioning. Come with me, I'll show you. We basically installed the pizza oven. This is a personalized pizza oven, okay? Traditional one. We put the logo of the restaurant, okay? And we're gonna place around the pizza counter. This is the extraction. So we have a nice canopy, and this is an island kitchen. This is an island kitchen. So basically, at the moment, we are just here. So we are placing the canopy and the extraction of the kitchen. Let's follow me. We finished the floor of the mezzanine. There is no light. Come upstairs. So all the partitions of the office storage, they are installed. And we are always working to make your dreams come true. This is another project signed by Brando Group. See you soon.